Welcome guys! I hope you had a splendid Christmas and it is 2 days before New Year. So, who would have expect na makaka-last video pa tayo ng shoot before the New Year. And this is a special project for me because we will feature today Parklinks Estate. Parklinks is a 35-hectare master plan developed by Eton and Ayala Land Estates. So, two big giants, and I'm here to share updates and developments with Parklinks. As I see it fit, ito yung magiging next BGC daw dito in Metro Manila. Pero ang difference lang, there will be more, there will be more greenery siya. Maraming park, maraming plants, something to look forward to. Today guys, I'm going to share updates and developments here in Parklinks and why this can be your next move. At my back is an Ayala Mall. So it is called Parklinks Mall, but eventually it will be an Ayala Mall also. Tapos there's a high-rise condominium. That's Parklinks North Tower, developed by Ayala Land Premier. And beside will be the construction of Parklinks South Tower. So both buildings, ito turnover 2027, that one 2029. Estimated naman mga yan. So by the way then, there are two condo projects dito in Parklinks. At my back naman is the Lattice, a project by Alveo naman. So this is pre-selling, and then may installment na option, 0% interest. So leave a message if you'd like to learn more. I'm going to share with you, as of today, December 2025, of what are the latest constructions here inside Parklinks. If you can zoom in there, that will be an international school. So it will be called Multiple Integrated International School. They used to have a school in C5 along Katipunan near UP Town Center, pero they decided to move it here inside Parklinks. So once na matapos na yung construction, dito na siya. Okay? And also, there will be an event space in the estate, Casa Ibarra, which will be 2027 then ang turnover. Tapos we have few condos then dito in Parklinks, which is the Premier and the Alveo. And in the future, like mostly Ayala Land master plans, magkaaroon yan ng hotel, magkaaroon yan ng retails, magkaaroon yan ng hospital, shops, kainan, and of course, yung signature ng Ayala, mga park. So stay tuned guys, as this will be a long-term project. Kasi I can see Parklinks na magta-thrive perhaps 10 to 15 years timeline. Kasi ngayon it's still thriving pa eh. So, but if you want to act fast, you want to invest when it is still developing, this may be your right time. Oh, share ko din pala sa inyo guys. So if you're coming from the east side like me, kasi I'm from Antipolo, you might be coming from Cainta, you might be coming from Antipolo, and dadaan ka ng Ortigas Avenue, going to C5, there's actually an access point for you para to lessen the traffic. So, instead of ano ka ng intersection sa may C5, sa may bandang CCF or Tiendesitas na side, you can go inside na sa Bridgetown. Open na kasi yung connecting bridge natin from Bridgetown here to Parklinks. And then, you video yung back. If you can see the iconic Parklinks Bridge, paglabas niyan is already C5 going Libis na. So, it's an accessible way, no? To, ayun na, may mga gumagaya na din, no? May mga cars na din na ganyan ang diskarte nila. So, ganun siya guys ngayon. So, if you want to take advantage of the traffic, you might as well cross by here na lang. So, also, just to give you an update din, si Parklinks will be pegged as the next BGC per smaller version. However, connected siya sa iba't ibang developers din. Like this one, Bridgetown, it's a 32-hectare master plan naman by Robinson's Land. Tapos sa bandang likod, if you can see yung buildings na yun, yung white-ish sa dulo, I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo kasi nakarangan siya ng mga puno. That's the Circulo Verde. So parang si Parklinks nasa 35 hectares, si Bridgetown nasa 32 or 33, then si Circulo Verde, I think less than 20 hectares. So all in all, it would be around roughly 75 hectares na master plan siya. And in the future then with Bridgetown, exciting din kasi dyan yung magkaroon ng UAAP court. So para siyang araneta, pero doon nagaganapin yung mga basketball, volleyball, mga tournaments. Something exciting to look forward to. And then they also have the Opus Mall. The Opus Mall naman is a luxury mall nila. And then eventually, tayo din naman, which is the Parklinks Mall. Welcome to Lattice. If you're a family that has kids studying in MIIS, you might want to consider living in Lattice. Why? Because we want to consider the safety of your kids. Tada! O, diba? Bababa ka lang and that will be the school. You just have to walk across. So, very convenient and very safe. We want our kids to have the best future. So, it can be a strong push for you to own Lattice para you can monitor na din yung kids mo. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this special video. And if you do enjoy this kind of contents, please subscribe. Also, comment na din if you have any suggestions, no? For serious inquiries or schedule of viewing, you might want to message me. Andyan yung contact details ko. And see you next year. Happy New Year, guys. I hope you have a great time with your family or with your loved ones.